Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to server with the error server failed to boot, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So I'm going to show you 3 to 4 solutions of how you can fix that annoying error. The first one is you're going to set your date and time correctly. So if your date and time is set incorrectly, your computer has trouble connecting to the internet. So just set your date and time correctly, open up your start menu, write here date and time, and then set your time zone first. Once you're done with that, now you're going to click set time automatically and then click sync now on here. Wait for it to sync. Once that's done, now you can go ahead and try to play your game. If that doesn't work, then what you can do next is you can open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. And if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click your network connection, click properties, and then go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 8.8.4.4. After that click OK, and then scroll down on here, untick Internet Protocol version 6. IPv6 is having trouble with the game, so just untick this IPv6 and then click OK. After that, what you can do next is you can try to install the game in a different location. So for example, if you have the game on your C drive, try to install it in your D drive. And if you have the game in your D drive, try to install it back into your C or your any other drives that you have. After that, the last solution I have for you is you can turn off your antivirus while you're trying to play the game. So your antivirus can conflict with the game. So just turn off your antivirus while you're playing the game, or just put your game into exclusions. So the way you can do that is you can open up your start menu, right here Windows Security, and then go into virus and threat protection. Click manage settings on virus and threat protection, turn off real-time protection, turn off cloud delivered protection, turn everything off on here. After that, go into add or remove exclusions, click yes on here, click add an exclusion, click folder. Now go to your Hytale's directory. So wherever you have your game installed on, go to that directory and just select folder on that game. After that, now whenever you try to play Hytale, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. Once you're done playing your game, you can turn on your virus and threat protection settings back on. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.